Ron Daddy.
Next up, we have candidates number 2 from Alpha Alliance. Please join us here and select your numbers.
Thank you so much for watching the Baby Girl. For more music videos.
Ron, you have chosen number 7. For your question, what is your proudest accomplishment? Again, what is your proudest accomplishment?
Thank you for that wonderful question, ma'am. Good evening, everyone. My proudest accomplishment was just happened recently, and it is to become the best, the most skillful, and the most disciplined version of myself. Thank you.
Good.
First up, the award for Best in Production Number. This award goes to the candidates who showed the brightest during our opening production number. The Best in Production Number is... Sino kaya? The Best in Production Number is candidate number 2, Alpha Alliance.
Ron and Rialyn Mero.
To give the award for the Best in Production Number,
Best
we
in
call on Miss Jenny
Production Number.
together with our OIC Instructional Services Head, Mr. Ricky Katapa.
Ron and Rialyn Mero.
And the best in sportswear for this Mr. and Miss Olympics is... Alright, our best in sportswear for this year's Mr. and Miss Olympics is candidates number 2.
Hakot na niya. Sila regabon.
Thank you, Ma'am Joy, and thank you, Sir Sandy.
Candidates and everyone, are you ready?
The Mr. and Miss Olympics 2025 is... Candidate number 2.
Oh, lagi.
Pastorado, Rian, Michael, and Nasir Ron.
Congratulations. Yan lang. Kaitik, Lembing, Miss and Mr. Kaitik.
Merit point and a Kaitik merch, hoodie, and cash prize. And of course, their crowns.
Mr. Kaitik, Sir Ron.